Stevie Award is definitely a confident booster. We believe that in this era where AI is exploding into almost every verticals of our life, take healthcare, finance, manufacturing, or education for that matter, even government security, national security. So AI is everywhere. So this is where data security becomes even more critical than ever, and this raises the awareness in the world that how important is data security and the contributions that I've made in data security, in the innovations that's coming out in data security is more important, not just for a specific or an individual organization, but for the world altogether, so that we can responsibly innovate and grow together as a world. So I think this is very important, not just for an organization, but for the entire world to be focusing on data security while we are innovating, while we are trying to focus on our bottom lines and top lines in getting AI into everything that we have in our organization. So that's where this Stevie comes in as a very important thing to raise the awareness. Not only that, I think this acts as a testament to my daughter and my family. My daughter Loshni, I think this strongly puts in a statement saying that no matter what, if there is a will, there is definitely a way. And you can do it if you are having that focus, dedication, and consistency. Whatever you target, you will be able to achieve that. So that's what Stevie means to me. This award definitely adds a validation in the market. So end of the day, all it matters is the perception in the market space. And having awards and recognitions by reputed judges of Stevie adds that validation, and this allows the customers to add more trust into the solutions that they are buying from the organization. Not only that, I try to stay closer with academia so that our organization is not just in for making money, but we are also trying to make sure that we are closer to the academia. Like for example, I write papers, I publish books, so that we are growing as a community together, not just for profit, but as a world together. So that's very, very important for us, and I believe having these awards will get the attention of the market and the world towards our organization, and that's very important, so that not only us, multiple people doing that will automatically allow us to be in a world which is brighter.